In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to learn German. So the basics of language learning is to know the words and meanings and translations between the language that you speak and the language you're trying to learn, and to know grammar and sentence structures, right? So what you can do as a beginner is to ask ChatGPT what certain words mean, right? So for example, you could go ahead and ask ChatGPT what does good morning mean in German, right? And then obviously ChatGPT could go ahead and will reply you with what it means in German. And for whatever reason, if you can't pronounce this, you can ask ChatGPT on how to pronounce it as well. So how do I pronounce this word? And ChatGPT will compare how to pronounce it within the language you speak. For example, in this case, since I'm conveying it in English, then it will help me understand how to pronounce this word in English terms. So for this word, it's good morning. It says it's supposed to be Guten Morgen. So um, ChatGPT says that the Guten Morgen is pronounced as in English as the G with double O, meaning the goo sound, right? Goo and then 10. So goo 10, right? So, and it also gives you a brief explanation on how the word pronounced, and then for the next part of the word, Morgan, as in it's just Morgan. For more complicated words, obviously it'll give you advice on how to pronounce them sufficiently as well, right? And not only that, but you could also ask ChatGPT to, for example, stimulate real life situations. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a customer at a restaurant, and they would be taking your order in German while you would be taking their order. They'll be giving the order in German while you'll be taking their order in German, right? Like this, you can replicate real life situations and get used to speaking German with using ChatGPT. But if you are not ready for real life stimulations yet, you could go ahead and first of all create your own flashcards using ChatGPT for German words to be able to help you learn words faster. You can always have a fast look at them and revise or memorize them using flashcards. You could go ahead and ask, you can learn by category, you can learn these words by category. You can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give me 10 words today about something related to travel, or perhaps food, or perhaps gaming, anything related to that. And you can go ahead and start making flashcards, because writing helps you memorize and practice better, right? But not only that, you can also ask ChatGPT to get you riddles, right? So you can ask perhaps for a daily word that, or a daily sentence that you might want to translate. So you could ask ChatGPT to give you a daily sentence in German, which you will translate and it will correct. For example, you can ask, give me a sentence that I could translate in German. And there we go. ChatGPT has given you a sentence in English that you could translate in German, and obviously you could do it the other way around as well. It could give you a sentence in German that you would give the meaning in English to it, and it'll correct it, right? And obviously, if you are wrong in any sense, it will correct you, right? And not only that, but for example, this was for your memorization practice. For perhaps reading practice, you could ask ChatGPT to give you a whole paragraph, and perhaps it could refer you to a person who is good at pronunciation, perhaps on YouTube or something like that, and you could go ahead and read the paragraph with them to improve your reading practice in German as well. So basically, you can go ahead and have all of these, you can put all together these creative ideas together, and perhaps give an hour a day to learning German with ChatGPT, and it wouldn't be a matter of months before you're able to speak German, right? So that'll be all for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.